Holy cow. Thank you. Hey, brother. So it's me. It's a dreary, foggy, cloudy day. Kind of how my mood feels. Did that statement even make sense? I don't know. But anyway, what I wanted to get at, brother, was it's amazing when people do something nice because it's totally unexpected, right? So I was at Starbucks getting a little pick me up, and as I'm walking out, this lady like literally chases me out the door. And I go, oh, like, I thought maybe she needed to leave, so I held the door open for her, and she's like, I just want to tell you, that jacket, that color, it's beautiful on you. Holy cow. Thank you. Like, and then I told her, like, you made my day. That was so nice. She's like, I just had to let you know. I was like, thank you. Then she went back in and waited for her stuff. Like, she wasn't even leaving. She went out of her way to do something nice. That made my day. So now my day is even better.